Take the thread of the length 4 to 5 times the length of the sewing distance. Well, if you are worried that it may not be enough, you can keep some extra length. Thread the needle. Pull the thread through the hole of the needle. Pull out a section of the thread, which is longer than the needle. Pierce through the middle of the pulled-out section with the needle tip. Then pull the back thread until the front section thread comes to the end and the threading is finished. Repeat the same operation for the other end of the thread. Sew up. Put the needle into the first hole and pull it out with the other needle together until both threads are equally allocated. Now there are two threads on leather surface, namely the top thread and the bottom thread. Pass the bottom thread through the next hole and pull it tight, then pass the first top thread through the next hole, making it to become the bottom thread. Pay attention to place the threads in a unified position every time the threads pass through. For example, in this video, I place the first thread on the right side, and then every time I place them on the right side uniformly. Pass the first top thread through the second hole and pull it tight. 2 holes are sewed by crossing the stitches back and forth. Repeat the previous step to pass the bottom thread through the next hole to sew, and place it on the right side after it passes through. Place the threads in a unified position every time, so that the stitches are unified and neat. Repeat the previous steps until all the holes are sewed up,